QuickTap Survey honest review watch before using. Most companies struggle with gathering accurate survey data in the field, but QuickTap Survey is designed to make offline and online survey collection simple and efficient. QuickTap Survey is a mobile-first survey platform that allows you to collect feedback on tablets, smartphones, or computers. One standout feature is offline functionality, which is essential for events, retail stores, or locations with limited internet access. Data syncs automatically once the device reconnects. Most people get this wrong. They think offline surveys are slow or error-prone. The surprising truth is that QuickTap Survey ensures consistent formatting, skips logic, and allows for rich media like images or videos and responses, making surveys more engaging and accurate. Another advantage is analytics. Real-time dashboards help you track response rates, analyze trends, and export data for reporting. Integration with CRM and marketing tools ensures that survey results can inform business decisions quickly. However, there are considerations. Advanced features like team management, custom branding, and large-scale deployments require pay plans. Careful planning is needed to avoid survey fatigue and low response rates. In conclusion, QuickTap Survey is an effective tool for businesses needing flexible, offline-capable survey collection with robust analytics. For events, retail, or remote data collection, it's a valuable investment. Subscribe for more honest survey platform reviews before you collect your next round of feedback.